If you want to learn how to trade cryptocurrency, forex, stocks, and much more, be sure to check out TrendSpider. Link is in the description and the comment section. TrendSpider uses automated technical analysis algorithms to perfect your trades. Once again, link is in the description. This is not financial advice and invest at your own risk. Hello everybody, it is the Naughty Investor here, coming at you with another video, guys. If you enjoy cryptocurrency related content, be sure to hit the subscribe button and leave a like on the video. So over the past week, we have seen a downward trend in most of your major cryptocurrencies. We've seen a short-term bearish sentiment in the market where buyers were selling and the sellers took control, the bears took control. And the big question on everyone's mind right now after 2 days of positive price action, of prices going up, is are things beginning to turn in the crypto markets? Now, in this video, I am just focusing on XRP, but I would happily do other coins if you want. Comment down below right now what other coins you would like to see in the future, if any at all, of me doing some analysis on them. But again, in this video, we're focusing in on XRP. So first thing I want to go over are the trend lines. So we were basically caught in a downward trend for a while, really for a while, and that's these two parallel lines going down right here on a downward angle. And you can see what happened right over here is that we broke above that trend. So we broke the negative trend, okay? That does not mean that we're going to have a huge price surge tomorrow. That's not what I'm saying, but it is a positive sign that we broke this negative trend line. I hope we keep breaking it. I hope we go even higher. The next thing we want to look for is right here, this horizontal line over here. This is about the 30-cent mark. That is the next resistance level for XRP, and we're gonna have to break above that to see some, a real return to a true bull market. Right now, again, we are kind of bullish. I understand that because we're breaking above this negative trend line. I'm gonna go over the other indicators in just a moment, but don't get too excited yet because there might still be some turbulence in the market to come ahead. Of course, long term, if you're thinking long term, I'm very bullish on XRP, and I think XRP is going to make a lot of people very wealthy. Okay, so next indicator I want to go over is the vortex indicator. The vortex indicator, we had a crossing right over here. We had a crossing. Of course, when we have crossings where the blue line goes above the purple line, that generally will indicate bullishness most of the time. And we have that right over here. So the blue line is going above this purple line. The purple line is going down. This is indicating that we're having a stronger bullish trend. So this can be a very positive sign. Again, you have to take everything into account. You can't focus on one indicator, can't focus on two. You have to focus on many and really make your decision that way and understand that all investing has some risk involved. So just to reiterate, the trends look good, the vortex indicator looks good. RSI, there's not much to say. We're not into overbuying, which is good. We're not into overselling, which is good. We're kind of just in the middle, which is a decent sign for RSI. Overall, guys, while I cannot say for 100% certainty that the price is going to change to the positive, immediately, all technicals are looking good on XRP. The fundamentals have been looking amazing on XRP, and really, I am very, very excited for what the future of XRP has to offer. Once again, in terms of short-term technicals, things are improving. Again, there can be something where 2 days from now, the price crashes down 5%. I don't know. I can't predict the future. I can't predict how many people are going to sell and whatnot, but this is looking fairly positive. Let's move into the markets today. Bitcoin up 2%, Ethereum up 1%, XRP up 2%. We're at about a $271 billion market cap level, and Bitcoin dominance is at 68.7%. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, share, and if you want to get this software, this is TrendSpider. This is the software I use for trading cryptocurrency. It has automated technical analysis algorithms that really help perfect your trading. Again, everything has risks. I'm not going to have to go into that, but if you want to grab this software, link is in the description and the comment section. It is very affordable in my opinion. Check it out at the very least, and I will catch you guys next time. Keep hodling and have a great day. If you want to learn how to trade cryptocurrency, forex, stocks, and much more, be sure to check out TrendSpider. Link is in the description and the comment section. TrendSpider uses automated technical analysis algorithms to perfect your trades. Once again, link is in the description. This is not financial advice and invest at your own risk.